What's the meaning of asphyxia? Asphyxia. Asphyxia.
Asphyxia. Asphyxia. Asphyxia refers to the condition caused by a lack of oxygen in the body. It occurs when the body is unable to take in enough oxygen or remove enough carbon dioxide from the blood. As a result, the body's cells and tissues begin to suffer damage and can eventually die. The effects of asphyxia can be severe and wide-ranging, depending on the duration and severity of oxygen deprivation. Some possible outcomes include brain damage, organ failure, and, in extreme cases, death. Timely intervention and treatment are crucial to prevent or mitigate the consequences of asphyxia.